Mar piny owacho ochako gero kambi ma nengone romo $300 maloso mo mar avokado e kaunti ma Kakamega. Kambino idhi ti godo kod jopur mawuok e kauntis ma Kaluo, Uasin Gishu, Nandi kod mamoko mantiere machiegni kodgi kendo jiwo yuto mar jopur mar avokado. Jakom board mar riwruok mar Sisi Village Producer Julius Muya owacho ni kambino dhi konyo ahinya ni thoth jopur mag avokado osebedo ka avokado margi kethore kaluwore ni gibedo maonge chirni mosebed kichwalogi e kinde mokalo. Omedo ni gidhi tiyo ahinya kod avokado kido mar Hass magolo mo maber.
We are looking out at working with 5 tons of fruits every day. That's the capacity of the processor we are processing now. And when you do that, it basically means that shooting off from a center like here, we will have a lot of money floating in people's pockets. We, of course, then have other avocado promotion centers in Maseno, and we're looking forward to expanding and opening another one, maybe in Sabatia at some point. We are just discussing with the farmers out there to see whether they will also be keen on doing this.
Avocado is a circular economy which is involving bees. We need the pollinators. Congratulations for those beehives there. We need a processor. We need a waste manager. We need a circular economy, right from soil testing to planting to agronomy to pollination to marketing and processing and consumption. We want a circular economy which is promoted in an agroecology policy.
Not everybody is planting quality fruit. So once you do quality, the market is huge. Up to now, we are still exporting fruits from other regions. So why is it not happening here?